kind of drama is Phoebe getting herself into.
But it was very cute, but what is the deal? Where did it go? What's happening?
Basically, Friday night, I found a baby raccoon on my roof, crying, trying to get down. And I was like, I should probably leave it. But it was like trying to climb down, and like it was for sure gonna fall. And I was like, I can't have that. So I got a blanket, and I kind of let it like fall into my blanket, and I released it into my backyard. In the morning, still there. I was like, what do I do? I'm sitting there taking pictures of it. It's quite cute. And my neighbor comes out, and he's like, don't worry about it, I've called animal control. And my gut was just like, this is not good. And he's like, they said that they're probably gonna euthanize it. And I was like, that's not an option. Like, this raccoon came to my backyard out of everyone in Toronto's. I'm obviously meant to like save this thing. So I called a bunch of people, and basically it was, I raised this raccoon myself until I can find someone who will take on raccoons, because all the rehabilitation places were full because it's spring, right? I brought him in the house, set up camp in the bathroom. So I gave him water and bananas, and he loved it. We bonded like crazy, and I named him Martin. I didn't want to pick him up because there's a list of reasons why you're not supposed to, and they carry diseases.
Yeah.
After like a day and a half, I started like holding him and then like washing my hands after. Yeah, I'm like super attached to him.
Well, where is he?
So my mom suggested Esther the Wonder Pig.
Yeah, so you took him to their house.
That Esther the Wonder Pig's family would take on the raccoon, but in fact, they know a lady who fosters raccoons and puts them back into the wild. So I'm happy to say Martin has found a home. He's living with like 50 other raccoons, and he's gonna be released to the wild. I'm getting a Martin tattoo tomorrow night, and I now know that
Do you
like...
have a raccoon tattoo?
Yes.
Oh.
But I'm getting another one.